Now, if you're looking for a really easy way to vacuum up your carpet without electricity, maybe you've never heard of this before, but this is called the Fuller Carpet Sweeper Brush. And these have been around for a very long time. My grandma used to have one, and I highly recommend this, especially if you have a vacuum that uses a battery. I have a battery-powered vacuum, and sometimes the battery runs out, but I still need to sweep up the carpet. Or maybe people are sleeping and I definitely don't want to wake them up. So I use this little carpet sweeper. It's also really lightweight and easy to use. So let me demonstrate for you really quickly. I sprinkled some crumbled up crackers on the floor, like often happens in my household when you have little ones. And basically what this does is it uses electromagnetic power, I guess, to pick up items off the carpet. But look at that. It's actually picking up everything that I crumbled in just a matter of seconds. It's so easy to use. I'm so glad that I added one of these to my cleaning tools, because not only is it easy to use, but especially when my vacuum cleaner is out of battery, I don't want to have to wait to vacuum. So having this on standby has been a really great option for me. So I highly recommend the Fuller Carpet Sweeper Brush. Check out the link in my description for where you can purchase this online. Using my affiliate links helps support my channel. So thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. And let me show you really quickly actually how to clean this. So you just push those little things like that, and then you just dump that into your garbage, and then you can clean hair out of it with this little thing that just stays attached to the handle of the broom here. And it's really easy to do, even with one hand.